Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a basic Google form. I'm right now in my Drive and I'm going to click on New just above the My Drive button. When I click on New, it's going to give me several options. I don't see Google Forms, but if I go down to More, it's my first option. The generic color is purple. I'll show you how to change that in a moment. The untitled form, we're going to call it a test. Test. And if I go ahead and click on the untitled form up here, it automatically takes that name. Super. Form description, if you would like it. This is a test Google form. Then I have the options of questions. I like to first put in if this is going to be something for students to fill out. I love asking for the first name, and it automatically says short answer. Now that's the default setting. It kind of reads it. It's really cool. But there's so many other options. Please take a look at them and see what you want to do. You can even use the date and the time. They can pick times they want to sign up for things, whatever it might be. I definitely want to make this required. After that, I look over at this little guy on the side here. I can add a question. I can add a title and description if I so desire, an image, a video, and I can even break the sections apart. So I'm going to first add a question. And my next one will just be last name. I guess I should have put the word name in. We'll go back and edit. And I'm going to make that required. Let me go back in and edit this. First name. And I'm going to go up to this top. So it has kind of three parts to it. After my first part, I'm going to add in a section break. So that kind of is cool. It has a section up here and my second section untitled. I can just leave it like that if I don't want to add something, or your name. Let's take a look what it will kind of look like for other students. Here's a bird's eye view, preview. This is a test. Great, next. Ooh, these are required. It has an asterisk right there. However, I want to go back. I want to change a few things and edit them. So I go up back to my tab. Notice at the top they're on different tabs. I'm going to go into this little wheel, which is my settings. Take a look. I'm only going to look at general with you today. You might want to collect the email addresses so you know who submitted something. If you're doing some kind of quiz, you might want to limit it to a response. You might want the students to be able to edit it after submission, etc. I am going to collect the email addresses. I will go over to the top right-hand corner, click Save, and I'm back to my Google form. One other really cool thing is the color palette. The generic is purple, so let's be different. We can change the color, or if we go to this bottom right hand, I can click on it, and it gives me many different options here. Let's just go with the colorful jelly beans. Okay, we can select it. Just so you know, to the left of that, you can also see if you want to upload something yourself. But for now, we're going to select jelly beans. Notice how my color is no longer purple. It usually, Google Forms will choose some kind of color that matches your top picture here. So let's test this out. Going up to our preview, test. Notice it says your email address will be recorded. Next, my first name is Deborah and last name Woodard. I will click submit and your response has been recorded. When I go back up to my tab that I can edit, you'll notice it says responses, one response. You can see a summary or you can click on the individual. From here, it tells me exactly that Deborah Woodard has filled it out. However, if I want to click into Google Spreadsheet, create a new spreadsheet, or select an existing spreadsheet, this one here is terrific if you're using this for quizzes and you want to keep everything on one spreadsheet. For now, we'll create a new spreadsheet. Taking a look, you can see the timestamp, the email address, first and last name, which is so helpful when you're sorting in Google Sheets. I really hope this was helpful, and I cannot wait to see your practiced Google Forms. Thanks for watching.